Hi, welcome to Turbo Talks YouTube channel. We are here with the next video. Please welcome new Chevrolet Silverado. Happy watching. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado is a cutting-edge pickup truck that combines power, performance, and advanced technology. Here are some key highlights. Engine options. The 2025 Silverado offers a range of powerful engines, including a new hybrid option and the reliable V8 for those who need extra muscle technology. Equipped with the latest in-car technology, including an advanced infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a customizable digital instrument cluster. Safety features. Enhanced safety features, like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure a secure driving experience. Design. The exterior boasts a bold and modern design with updated LED lighting, a refreshed grille, and aerodynamic enhancements for improved efficiency. Interior comfort. Inside, the Silverado offers a spacious cabin with premium materials, increased legroom, and innovative storage solutions. Towing and payload. With improved towing capacity and payload capabilities, the 2025 Silverado is built to handle heavy loads with ease. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado sets a new standard in the truck segment, offering a perfect blend of rugged capability and sophisticated technology. If you want to subscribe to our channel and be notified of new videos, you can activate the notification. Hoping to see you in new videos. Bye.